Welcome to the channel, and I never get to say this, but it's a beautiful day in the state of Pennsylvania. It's like 60 and sunny in February, so no complaints there. And that actually makes me think that I need a convertible. And I think I need a truck convertible. How about this one right here? Yes, we are going to turn the old D-Max into a convertible. I think some people thought that maybe we were going to repair this cab, which is nuts. We're definitely not going to repair this cab. This cab's getting taken off, scrapped, no matter what. So why not have some fun with it first before we start the rebuild, which is starting soon, I promise, but we wanted to get all the good out of this thing before we could, as much ad revenue as possible, but don't tell anybody about that. That's a big secret. But yeah, we're pretty much going to take grinders, sawzalls, whatever we got to do, whole way around the edge here, go up over. I think the windows will go up when we're all said and done, because they don't all go up right now. Well, this one's smashed out, so that's not going to. But the rest of them, you know, cut it right here. Cut the door frame down to probably here, because we still need mirrors. And we'll go from there. Let's see. I think let's just get into it and get started. Then we got to take a drive. Put down the windows, I guess.
Yep.
If they'll go down, is all I was thinking. One of them goes. Oh yeah, all right. Oh no, copyright.
Wow, that's harder to do. You'd actually think that a Sawzall blade would be more capable than that. Here goes nothing. Nice and flush?
Yep. Like butter, man.
That's what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of knew that was going to happen.
There she is. If anybody needs the top section of a door, we'll sell it to you. $20.
Not bad for us.
Oh, it's gonna be great. I'm already in love. All right, this is cool. Let's keep going. We would just go like straight or just, you know, up, whatever.
You think straight across like
whatever.
This? Or you think just like...
Well, we need it to be perfect.
Like that? Or like this?
I don't care.
What do you want?
I don't care. Bet you that window goes up. We got to try it. Let's see here. Oh! She's still binding up. Must be... Alright, so it's still bent inside there, so we probably still can't put the window up. So we got the doors all ready. Now it's time for the major stuff. All the pillars ready to go. I think we notched that guy a little bit. I'm gonna hop up on the roof and make this happen.
I'm gonna do my best to not breathe too heavily in this video.
Yeah, don't breathe. Stop breathing.
People do not like when you breathe.
Not a big fan of breathing.
I'm gonna do my best to hold my breath this entire video.
When you sound like...
I know. I sound like I'm dying.
Should we snap a line? I don't want to go, you know, I don't want it to be crooked. I think I might be jamming it by being up on it.
You might be a little bit.
It is so loud. Woo!
There we go.
Sweet.
It's through. It just isn't straight.
Oh no. You're not going to want to put your hands up there when you're driving. Hey.
Oh.
Oh.
That's not quite as solid as it once was. You know, I don't think this is intended to, like, be a convertible.
They do some extra stuff I've heard on convertibles. I wonder if these doors are going to shut right.
It should.
Actually, once they're...
Yeah, both of them.
We do not want to roll it now. There. Got just that one little straggler there. Nice.
Through.
Now we're through.
Watch this little section right there.
Yeah.
You do not want to set your
hand
elbow on that to rest your arm.
Yeah, no.
That is not an armrest.
There you go. All right. I think the roof's ready to come off.
You want to just drive it until it gets enough wind that it flies off.
I'm down. Can I do that?
I'm just kind of curious if you can get enough speed for it to blow off out the windshield.
I'm very certain I can.
All right, so what's the plan for removing this roof?
All right. So I know, like the new Corvette, I think you can put the drop top down at like 35. So I'm gonna see if we can drop this top at like 35.
All right.
Give or take. You guys have the unique opportunity today to see me likely get impaled by a big heavy piece of metal. That was kind of scary. Where is it? Oh, it's still in the bed.
It looks awesome. Dude, it looks so cool.
There she is, though, man. Okay, she should sail now. I lost it. It didn't sail. I needed to go faster with less acceleration.
Nope. Might as well just push it back into the weeds here.
I was gonna throw it up to the bed, then I'll throw it in my strap pile.
All right.
There's her final resting place next to some mattresses and old chicken crate. Okay. So here we are, finished up with our convertible conversion for the old Duramax, and I think it came out pretty awesome. So now it's not safe. It's not for children. We got like the glass back here and then the sharp edges. Not as nice as like a full professional shop conversion. I think they would have done something different, like, you know, mirror-wise there, but it is perfect for a beautiful sunny day like today. I think we need to take her out on the road for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and do some burnouts, just because how do you have a truck like this and not do burnouts? So we're gonna take the old girl down into town, hopefully get some reactions, hopefully some people out. It really is a beautiful day out, so I'm gonna have the old 300 following us as a camera car, because we're super professional. Let's see what happens. Have the convertible option on his truck right there, but we do. We picked up some hitchhikers, also another brother, and we are going to see, what do you think, should have GM made this from the factory as a convertible?
Not sure. Should be wearing a Speedo. This type of weather in a convertible.
Oh, it's beautiful out here, man. It's amazing. She's kind of no joke. All right, so you guys think that GM should have made this, now that you've taken a ride, should have they made this from the factory as a convertible? Or an option, at least. I mean,
I do believe so.
That's what
That's
what I'm thinking. All right, let's head back home. What's the red line on her? All right. Just like that, we are back at home, and the convertible, it works perfect. This truck should have been a convertible from the factory. Didn't get any great reactions, just nobody was out and around, but we did get some burnouts there. They weren't spectacular, but they were pretty fun for me, at least. Hopefully you guys enjoyed them as well. You can see some of the marks there. That's it for me, guys. Hopefully you enjoy the convertible truck as much as I do. I know I had a lot of asks in the comments for it, but we did it, and it was worth every bit of work that it was. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.